morning, everyone.
Hey, Mark, looking sharp. All right, team, let's keep the pace up. We have a big order starting today.
Good morning, team. Today's focus is maintaining the high quality shown here. We need to hit our target of 50 units. Let's ensure smooth cooperation.
Yes, understood.
A little closer, then stop.
Okay, that's it. We're connected.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Push it in further, careful of the edge. Got it. Got it.
Okay, the rotation has initiated. We are at 2 RPMs.
Confirmed. The chemical penetration stage is active. We need to adjust the rotation speed on the third one. Okay, I'll input the new parameters now.
A dramatic reveal as the first skin emerges, showcasing the flawless color transformation and texture.
Here at the ringing station, the sharp leather is fed through heavy rollers to efficiently remove excess water before drying.
Check the readings on row 4.
Humidity is holding steady at 60%.
Good, let's clear this section for transport.
This car here means we can't use this section for the straps.
Agreed. We should start the main cut just below it to minimize waste.
I'll mark the guideline here then.
stainless steel rivet is set with absolute precision, ensuring a permanent bond and flawless finish.
Flexibility test, cycle 200. No visible stress on the stitching.
Noted. Bending radius remains optimal.
We're seeing consistent results across all samples.
The tensile strength exceeds the quality requirements.
The water resistance test results are finalized. We are approved for certification.
Excellent. Move these to the refinement stage.
There's a slight imperfection right here. We should refine this edge before approval.
Yes, I see it under the magnification.
Yeah.
The spectral analysis confirms the delta E is well within tolerance.
Excellent. The batch consistency across these samples is perfect.
The flexibility is excellent. See how it simulates the wear comfort.
Yes, quality confirmed. It passes the final assessment.
The width is precisely 22 millimeters.
Confirmed. Length also within tolerance. Final verification passed.
All tests passed. The quality is approved for packaging.
Confirmed. Logging the certification now. Card inserted. Move this one to the premium line.
Okay, next strap ready.
need 2 more layers on this pallet.
Confirmed. Make sure the labels are facing out for scanning.
Got it. This batch is ready for pickup.
Make sure the labels are facing up. Got it. We need 3 more for this layer. Coming right up.
Weight is stable, 15.2 kilograms.
Verified for shipping compliance.
All Type C cartons inspected and verified.
Excellent work.
I've signed off on the quality gate.
We can ship these now.
We need 3 more layers on this one.
Coming right up.
Watch the alignment on the left stack. Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Watch your side.
Slide it to the left, tight against the edge.
Okay, slide that one down.
Got it. Check the tension on the wrap.
Looks good, nice and tight.
Applying the identification tag for tracking.
Verification confirmed. Next pallet ready for distribution routing.
Is this pallet sealed for zone 3?
Yes, manifest says it's ready to go. All pallets accounted for on the manifest. Roger that.
Moving the final crate into position now.
Keep coming back, slowly. A little to the left. All right, hold it right there, chocks away. All right, bring it back slow. Watch the height right there.
Copy that.
And easy down.
Is that secure? Yes, fully tensioned. Ready for transit.
All right, the packing list matched the manifest. Everything secured?
Yes, Supervisor. Seal applied and verified. Ready for departure.
Safe journey. See you next week.
Take care out there.
This comprehensive process transforms the deep-sea raw material into the finest quality watch straps.
Look at this stitching. Absolutely perfect.
The best batch we've ever made.
Safe journey, everyone. See you when you get back.